What is up, guys? Today we are going to go over trades to grow a small account. Now, our account is about $1,000 right now. We just started this account at the start of 2023. I actually started it about 2 months in, and I'm going to show you how to grow your small options account consistently and how you can take it from a $2,000 account to over $25,000 at the end of the year. So we are going to take a look at some trades real quick. We're going to look at, let's see, Tesla. Tesla is a very popular stock. Everyone wants to trade Tesla right now. It's talked about. We're going to look at the charts and see that it has a lot of momentum right now. And that if you look at the 1 year, has some resistance around the $180 level. And then also up here to the $200 level, I think we can see it retest the 200s. So with this information, we can place a trade. So if we go to trade and we say, okay, we're kind of bullish on Tesla. We think it's going to go up. We don't want to put a lot of money into a trade. We have a small account, remember, $1,000, $2,000. We don't want to use a large percentage. And to buy an option would cost a lot of percent of our account. So what we do instead is we do a debit spread. So I like to do $5 widths. You can do 5 to $1 width trade, which is just the difference. So if I was to trade this, I would look at something like this. I would say, let me add some time to there. So 33 days till expiration over here. You can see that. Max profit is $308. And now remember, we have a small account. Let's say we have $1,000 account. Let's use my account size for example. I have $1,000. This trade takes $200 in buying power. So that's going to take 20% of my account. But the max loss is only 20%. But we're going to set our max loss stop loss at 50%. So 50% of this max loss, if this debit spread goes 50% against us, we're going to close the trade. So that means my max loss is only $100 now. Max profit is still $308. So we take profit if this goes above 90%, right? Anything above 90%, we'll just take the profit, close the trade, and set up another one later, right? So we're not holding it until expiration because let's say this goes up 90% within 15 days. Well, then we'd have to hold it and keep our capital tied for another 15 days. It would be a lot smarter to just take the profit. But this is it's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio because our max loss says right here $192, but we can actually sell it at 50% to cap our max loss at, let's say, $100, and our max profit's still like $250 to $300. So these are the types of trades I would do, and I am doing in my small account. I might open up a trade like this come Monday, depending on where the market is. Pre-market opens up soon for me. I'm West Coast time, so it opens up at 3 p.m. West Coast time, and you can trade futures and check that. But let's see some other trades we can do. Let's say we are bull or bearish on a stock. So I am actually bearish on this one. So I actually did a trade. I sold the 500 and I bought the 495. Creating a spread. So my max profit for this trade is $330. Max loss is $170. Now again, I'm not going to wait until I get to that max loss before I lose $170. No, I'm going to actively manage it. If it goes to that 50%, I'm just going to close this trade, count it as a loss. Now you're saying, okay, I have to lose 3 of these trades in a row to break even. So if I lose 3 times in a row and I win one of these trades, I'll break even. Now we're shooting for a 65 to 70% win rate doing this. If we hit that 65 to 75% win rate, we're going to grow our account very fast, guys. So it's going to be a work in progress, but looking at this chart, you can kind of see that it's just overbought. I think we can get a correction down to these levels, the 500, below the 500. I think Ulta maybe come down to 490. It has a history of peaking out and then dropping off, peaking out and dropping off. So knowing that, we are looking for it to drop off a little and then take advantage of it. See, its high was 511 and then it closed at 505.67. So it's kind of starting its first red wick candle, which is good news for us. since we do have this trade on. If I look at positions, Ulta, that is one of the positions I have. So yeah, guys, let me know what kind of trades you guys look for, what you kind of do. As you can see, I did get burned by Intel in my last video, but it happens. We have some trades that countered that, so we still are up year to date, I believe around $50. So yeah, let me know what you think about those debit spread trades and if you are going to be trading any of them. But I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and peace out.